Hello guys, I just bought this Canon 250D and I'm going to unbox it right now and see. Join me. Wow. It has a 2.4 megapixel. ISO for photos is 25,600. For video is 12,800. It's a 4K. It's able to shoot videos of 4K. Has a touch screen, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The lens is 18 to 55 mm STM kit. Yeah, let's see how it is. I'm so excited. Inside there is a strap, is a manual, the warranty card. It's 2 years warranty. There has a 2 years warranty. 2 years warranty. Inside you have the charger. This is the cable for the charger. The battery. This is the lens. Wow, this is good. And finally, this is the real thing now. It's a very small camera. Very small but quite powerful. So let's now fix the lens and see. Fix the battery. It's always advisable to fully charge the battery even before using it, but that one we shall do later.